But then they're too theatric.
That's the thing, though. No one's theatric anymore. No one brings that fucking level of awesomeness. The two best shows I've ever seen in my life were Iron Maiden at Madison Square Garden and Kiss at Shea Stadium.
Kiss does a really
Kiss puts on the best
Yeah.
show I've ever seen. The music, whatever, you can think whatever you want about it. Their show is unbelievable. Their live show is
I've never been to Kiss shows. Alright, finish.
Actual fact. RATA.
Alright.
RATA. Fact.
Alright. I can actually, I can't fucking Kero Saidi total contract for us. I don't remember the lyrics, but I can't get whatever.
And sing.
Canta Sepultura.
One. Hey. 1, 2, 3, and
Alright. Let me tell you something. Sepultura is the greatest band of metal.
fact.
No, Sepultura
No,
is
not
too
really.
From
in
Brazil.
fact. Maybe from Brazil.
He says to happen.